A boy lived with his family. His father was a jeweler. One day, his father became sick. Slowly, his health got worse. Then, his father died. After his father's death, the family had money problems. The boy's mother gave him a necklace. She said, "This is a precious necklace. Go to your uncle's shop. He is also a jeweler. Show him this necklace and sell it. Bring the money home." The boy went to his uncle and showed him the necklace. His uncle looked at it carefully. He said, "The market is not good now. Wait a little before selling it. Then you will get more money." He also said, "You can work at my shop. I need a good and honest boy." From the next day, the boy started working. He learned about gold, diamonds, and stones. He learned how to check if they are real or fake. Now, his family had no money problems. Day by day, his name became famous. People from other cities came to him to check their jewelry. One day, his uncle said, "Bring the necklace you wanted to sell." The boy went home and looked at the necklace carefully. He saw that it was fake. He ran to his uncle and asked, "Why didn't you tell me the truth before?" His uncle smiled and said, "If I told you the truth that day, you would not believe me. You were sad and needed help. You may think I was lying, but today, you know how to check jewelry. Now, you can see what is real and what is fake." The boy understood. He smiled and thanked his uncle.
When you learn something by yourself, you understand it better. Real knowledge helps you know the truth. Sometimes people don't tell you everything right away because they want you to learn and grow.